Haribol, ipapakilala namin kayo sa aming God Brother, Jai Krishna. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Ayan, anong tawag dyan sa ganyang ano?
Islamic hardcore.
Islamic hardcore? Or Islamic ano, harmony?
Islamic harmony. Islamic way of love.
Islamic way of love.
Islamic rahasya. Upadi Samrita Jihad.
Upadi Samrita Jihad. Nectar of ano?
Nectar of Abu Bakar.
Di ba? Pwede pala yung ganyan, Prabhu
Diba? Kaya may ganito
bagay
kasi,
na bagay mo, Prab.
Hindi, kaya may ganito kasi ako. Gabi na kasi mahamugan ako.
Oo, yun. Ayun pala yun. Okay. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
And then we're very fortunate because there's so much, there's a lot of Kirtanians around. So I would like to welcome everyone coming from different cities and provinces. Haribol! Did we get closer? Is that okay? Right. I think already it's up on that side because
Guys, reach na pala.
Good. I'd like to also acknowledge our devotees. Thank you so much for the association. Hello, Prabhu. Everyone. It's always nice to be in the association of devotees. We just hang around, doing kirtan. Just the vibe is just always there. You can feel it already, if you're with other associations like outside, you feel the vibe, It's not the vibe. But here, so for icebreaker, I'd like to ask. But if you will have a superpower, what power would you like to have? Like Batman is his power, is his weapon. He says like created his own Iron Man suit and became a superhero, saving the people of New York City. So Bill Gates was asked one night in an interview. Bill Gates was asked by an interviewer, "Oh, Bill Gates, kung bibigyan ka ng superpower ang gusto niyo?" sabi ni Bill Gates. Bill Gates was very realistic, although he's very rich. He has a lot of money that we can only think of. But he said, just want to read fast. Just want to have that power to read fast. Diba? Gusto niya daw magbasa na napakabilis and absorb more information because maybe the power is in the knowledge. And fortunately, Srila Prabhupada gave us so much literature that we can use as a power to navigate this material world, especially in the presence of Maya. Because on every step, what they're saying is, I didn't know about this, but what they say, and every step there's a danger. So in Krishna consciousness, Bhakti Yoga, everything will be lifted because of the Lord Krishna. Right? So for my answer, the superpower that I'd like to have is to be really humble. Maybe I'd like to be on that level where the same as the devotees. To be a servant of a servant of a servant. It's easier it's easy to say, it's difficult, but I'd like to learn more about how we feel, how we can be humble, how to be tolerant, be just still, all of the things that is happening around. So that's the superpower. Maybe anyone would like to share? Sabi, yung gawin, ready mo. Everybody na sa
Hari Krishna, Hari Krishna. Super power. Yung ako, yung hindi pinakalaban ng siya. Hindi ko gusto kong super power. Magagamit na sa pili yun. Kasi yung siya, porsigo lang talaga makapoy. Mas maganda na yung kung yung super power ko, hindi palakasan daw ko, makapalamuha ako. Kapag hindi tayo ng gusto, hindi tayo nahihiya. Yun lang ako, yung hindi pinakalaban ng hiya. Tama, hari ko siya.
Hindi yung pag-ibig, hindi yung sumunod magkabaw. Pero tayo mo mga kasi di ba, wala tayo makil.
Superpowers. Sabi nila, in every powers comes responsibility. Siguro superpower sa akin yung ability to see the future even 5 seconds or 10 seconds para ma-anticipate ko yung, uy, mali, may magkaka ako mali. Uy, baka may mga sa akin. Yun na siguro. Mga 5 to 10 seconds, mapupunsin yung future.
Very good. Very good. Supervision. Makita ko naman, makita yung super soul para sa puso ng bawat isa. Bawat meeting. Ako po, ano lang, ayos lang po ako. Still learning, very good, thankful po ako sa lahat. Good, thankful, no? Gaya ko. Already ako, very sorry. I want to fly, go to my tour, go to Vrindavan, and have a 6 days of the good. Magandang salita. Sa akin ay yung kapamilya na makalimutan. Mabura yung mga negative na side natin. At maalala ko lahat pero positive. Kasi sa sila, ay ho, pero superpower siya na. Hare Krishna, nag-ibigay superpower. So, lang siguro, hindi na huhukom. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna. Ako gusto ko superpower yung invisible para walang kamali ako magkakaroon. Hindi ako parang ko ang power ay mag-teleport siguro para makapunta sa lahat ng program. Yun na.
Bakit yung ano?
Siguro gusto kong superpower, I can control my body safely. Hare Krishna, everyone. Siguro, for me, ano lang, yung may expansion yung kamay, yung maraming kamay, parang marami akong magawa ng fantastic. Thank you.
Ako hindi na mapagod para nani-relax.
Wala man ang gusto kong superpowers na magkaroon ay i-multiply yung sarili ko 2,000 of times para mas maraming mapagsilbihan ako ng mga devotees ni Lord Krishna.
Gusto kong superpowers, power of telepathy, para mabasa mo yung isip mo. Superpower sa akin, gano'n lang kanila sa bahay. Yung mga gamunan para isa yung magawa yung mga siguro, gusto ko yung alam lahat kung paano magluto. Like, lahat na hindi mo na iisipin kung anong nilulutuin mo. Kaya parang kay Lord Krishna. At saka, hindi ka na ma-stress kung ano yung mga lulutuin mga ingredients, mga bawal na pang-opening kay Lord Krishna at saka sa ibang mga devotees. Diba?
Just try to guide this master. So just start first. So you ready? So Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Have a short discussion about Shishiraga and Krishna aside, but this is in the context of today's Krishna, so we read chapter 6, text 30, Shiva Bhagavad Gita. See everyone's faces every weekend. It's so fun. It's very amazing to be in the association of devotees. So tomorrow, Haribol! So,
Prabhuji, kumusta ang iyong programa?
Ayun
Si Krishna Balaram.
Pabuto sa Krishna Balaram, panalo ang prasada magkirtan.
Para panalo ang prasadam at kirtan. Para
Punta lang kayo ng Krishna Balaram. Dito yan sa pagaling kayo ng UC, sakay kayo ng jeep na pakaya, pababa kayo ng Kaiko Street sa gate 2 ng UST.
Ayan.
Tapos lakad lang.
lakad lang. Paano pag gusto mag-tricycle?
Hindi ko alam eh. Wish nyo na lang.
Basta naglakad lang kami. Naglakad
Dito
lang.
kami ala.
Tinuro kami ni Allah dito. Allahu Akbar.
Jai go.